too deep. Rolling with tube, you guys. It's rolling with the new Seawind, you guys. I've got this dude right on my tail. This dude's just tailgating. Look at this. Seriously, dude, really? I mean, come on, man. I'm going the speed limit.
We'll have to watch and see if that
Morning!
manifests here, but in the backdrop here, John, there's also
14 pilot, you guys. Yo! Morning. Got a new plane. Seawind. I'm probably damaging it, sticking in. It hardly fits. See you later. We're F-14 pilot, you guys. It's in the tube deep, you guys. We got the Seawind on the beach, you guys. In the tube deep. And we got the boat still here. The vodka captain, you guys. That dude yesterday, check out my videos. We thought it was a panga boat. Nope. There was a dude in there. And his thing was out. Unbelievable. Then he gets out. And he's, what are you looking at? Mind your own business. Dude, your boat's on the beach in case you didn't realize it. The dude was hungover. Good. Got a runway. And we still have the boat here. Huh? Oh, yeah, there you go. Should have flown in today. That guy flies the Stearman, you guys. Probably seen that in a few of my pictures. That was Bill Allen, in case anybody's wondering. Thought that was Bill. Morning. See? This is all private property here. Nobody believes me. This is public right here. Morning. Got a new plane finally. Still have a runway. Look at that. We got Speedo Man. Going for a swim. Buenos días, amigo. Nuevo avión. Seawind. Hey, Brody. Finish your biz? Oh, yeah. Morning. New airplane. Seawind. Maui. Maui gonna ask me to do a flat roll? Hey, can I do a flat roll? Look at that, Maui.
Look at that ship.
I know, look at Maui. Don't need it. Hey, Maui.
That's nice.
How you going, Maui? Morning. How you going?
All right.
New
nice
Seawind. Barry, wouldn't it? I had to like bend it and stick it in my car. It wouldn't fit.
He's up in Morro Bay.
Yeah.
He's got a little boat like that. And I said, yeah. My buddy said, guy's in the cabin there, drunk.
That's hilarious.
My buddy, hits me back going, I swear it's not me.
Yeah.
I don't know what the guy was doing out there anyways.
He was drinking.
Well, there was probably a small traffic warning,
Maybe.
that night.
You think so?
It wasn't hospitable out there for a small boat. Unless you're experienced.
Oh, a bottle of vodka, man. That did it for him.
That'll do it. Well, I'm wondering if that's after he dropped all the illegals off.
Yeah.
Decided to party.
Yeah. Got his cash.
It came in.
Shit. Alright, you guys, we're on the beach. Perfect beach. We got the new Seawind. Gonna do a pre-flight test!
75, 2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Let's check the gear. Check this out.
81, 2.
Gear up, gear down. Look at that, gear down. Wow, gear down works. Look at that. Test. Let's see what we got here. We've got aileron, rudder. We've got prop. I 3D design printed the spinner. I didn't have time to sand it. I will though. What else we got? We've got elevator, up, down, up, down. We've got rudder. Let's see if we've got flaps. 1, flaps 2. Not much movement. I have to adjust that. What else do we have? I think that's it. Pretty simple. See, is she gonna drive? Look at that. Let's test the gear. Hold on. Let's do gear up. Oops. Gear up. Look at that. How sweet is that, you guys? Pretty sick. In the tube deep, you guys. Seawind. Let's do it. Off-roading with the Seawind, you guys. I have to check CG. See you later. Hey, Bo. What's up, Bo? New plane. What do you think? Too busy sniffing? Hey, Bo. One here now. We've got people everywhere, man. Seriously. I'm out of time, too. Perfect runway. We got the regulars. You guys, you know, I think everything's in go. We got aileron left, right, left. That looks correct, right? Correct? That's gonna push the wing down. That's going left. Up, left, right. Elevator up, elevator down, rudder left, rudder right. I think we're good, you guys. What a cool plane, man. I got it on sale when it first came back. I have to adjust the flaps because there's not much movement. I don't know, it's like the Beaver. It's hooked up the same way. Rolling, gonna use all my battery, you guys. Plane! The Seawind! Let's get it in the sun, hold on. Yeah, a little more. It's got retracts. Watch. Pretty sweet. Oh, man, it's super moist. It's like humid. Look at that. Thing's... No, it's never flown. The Maiden, possibly. It's perfect. I think everything's in order. Check the CG. All surfaces seem correct.
Is it the same controls as
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
I'll swim if I have to. All right.
I would have picked up that whale bone.
I know. That dude's still there. Is he ever gonna... The tide, I thought the tide might be high enough. It wasn't enough to get him out last night. I think we should, yeah, I think I should do this. Where's Wiggins? Uh-oh. Seawind on the beach, you guys. You set? Let's.
Beautiful.
You're up. Seawind's up. Pretty sweet. Seawind, you guys. Coming in. You're down. Woo, Seawind lives. Little windy, but hey. Seawind lives. That was awesome. Cut for the Seawind. Huh? That's my hat cam. That's how I record it. Success. Landed on its wheels. Yeah, pretty quiet, huh? Maiden flight. We got the crowd. Aviation enthusiasts.
You still go over the whole
Yeah, every morning.
How are those guys doing?
They're doing okay. They're okay. They get coffee every day.
A lot of action.
Yeah, it's kind of calmed down. I haven't seen the shoplifter for a week. Success! Hey, Maui. We got the Maiden in. I was waiting for Maui.
It has no dings in it.
No, it's pristine for right now. Thing is, like, it doesn't fit in my car. You can't really take the wings off. I had to like squeeze it in and then rest it. Oh man.
No duct tape.
No, yeah, not yet.
You'll get the technique down.
Seawind lives.
All right, you guys.
Enjoy the morning, everyone.
Thank you.
Why are the drones so loud? It makes them quiet. What's the difference?
They have 4 propellers. Most of them are kind of quiet.
Seems like you can hear them from far away.
You can hear them. If it's a racing drone, yeah, they're pretty loud.
This thing is so impressively quiet.
Yeah, you can't even hear it.
I know. I'm surprised they even allow them to be sold.
Hey, it's a hobby.
No, I'm just talking about, nowadays.
Oh, you mean the drones?
Well, something like this, it could be used as a weapon.
Well, you could use anything. Well, look at Ukraine. The biggest factor are drones like the DJI drones. It's changed the Maiden in the books, man. The Seawind. This thing's awesome. On the beach, you guys, Seawind. Borealis effect for our mates down under. You anchors know who you are. Alright guys, that was fun. Perfect beach. Look at this. It's insane. Seawind lives. Enjoy your day. Beautiful morning. Look at this beautiful day. It's unreal. Seawind lives to fly tomorrow, everyone. In the tube deep. Look. Oh my God, they're using a front loader to move the boat. Holy shit, they're gonna crunch it up into little parts. See that? Oh, okay. Yeah, it was a maiden flight. My battery's gone, I can't fly again. Sorry. It's a kit, you put it together. Just a kit. If you're on YouTube, search In the Tube Deep RC, all one word. In the Tube Deep RC. RC, all one word, no spaces. You guys might be on there. See ya.